Welcome to this video. Here I'm going to discuss about density and relative density. Okay, well, density is mass per unit volume, and we can also write it like this as density is equal to mass over volume. Mass we can take in tons and volume in cubic meter, so we get unit as ton per cubic meter. However, we can also express density in kilogram per cubic meter. Now I'm going to discuss about relative density. What is relative density? It is a ratio, actually, ratio of density of substance in question to that of fresh water. And since it is a ratio, it doesn't have any unit. There is no unit. Now we can write like this, that RD, that is relative density, is the density of substance divided by density of fresh water. Well, that can be written like this: mass of substance divided by volume, because density is nothing but mass divided by volume. That is what we discussed few minutes ago. So density of substance means density of substance means mass of substance divided by volume, and density of fresh water means mass of fresh water divided by volume. So we can say that, yeah, that for equal volume we can define RD as ratio of mass of any volume of substance to that mass of an equal volume of fresh water. So in this equation, if I keep this volume equal, so that will cancel out because I am dividing volume and volume here. So mass of substance divided by mass of fresh water in equal volume gives the relative density. Thus, I can write the equation like this, that RD is mass of any volume of substance divided by mass of an equal volume of fresh water. Now we are going to discuss about density of fresh water. Let me scroll it up. And the RD of fresh water is 1, or 1 ton per cubic meter, or 1000 kg per cubic meter. Now on the contrast, let me discuss about density of salt water, which is 1.025 ton per cubic meter, or 1025 kilogram per cubic meter. Relative density definitely is 1.025, because 1.025 divided by 1 will give you RD 1.025. Now we'll discuss about dock water. Any density which is between these two densities is called dock water. So any density which is between fresh water and salt water is called dock water. Well, now let's discuss about one more interesting thing. RD is also known as specific gravity of substance. RD of fuel oil is taken in stability as 0.95. So what does it mean? It simply means that density of fuel oil is 0.95 times that of fresh water.